Yan, guys, gumawa ako ng champurado. Ayan. Alam mo, ang aking pantamis, wala kasi aking asukal. Yung condense. Ayan. Condense siya. Ayan. Oh, perfect. Ang sarap. Tapos, lalagyan ko pa siya ng, actually kahit hindi nalagyan, di ba? Ito. Condensada. Carnation Ibap. O, di ba? Lagyan natin pa rin siya ng konti. Oh. Sabi ng anak ko, perfecto. Ang sarap, guys. Kain tayo. Grabe, na miss ng anak ko yung ganito. Tagal na siyang nagre-request sa akin na lutuan ko daw siya ng champurado. Meron ako namang mga chocolates na nakatabi na pang champurado. Pero hindi ko siya ginagawa dahil busy. Tapos wala pa akong nabibili na glutinous rice. Ngayong umaga, sinipag ako habang naglilinis ako ng aquarium ko. Nag-ano muna ako nagluluto na ako nagsasaing na ako ng ganito. Ng bigas, yung glutinous rice. Tapos, sinabay ko na yung buo na chocolates. Anong pangalan doon sa nun?
You put everything?
No, only 4 pieces.
So how many left?
Only 4 pieces and 1 of rice. 1 of cup
How
of
many
rice.
left?
Madami. Still have. Ngayon, tikman natin. Grabe sarap. Gayahin ako, guys. Ang ginawa ko ditong hindi purong yun eh. Anong pangalan nun? Galing yata yun sa Pilipinas. Tingnan ko. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Ang sarap, nagda-diet pa naman ako. Ay, tabliya. Ito, guys, tabliya siya. Yun. Ayan. Tapos, tabliya po siya. Tapos, ito po yung laman. Ayan.
Mom, who give you that?
My friend. Napakasarap talaga, really. Grabe na-appreciate ng aking anak. Sobrang sarap. Tapos, syempre, yung pangtamis niya pa, yung condensed milk. Tapos, syempre, iba. O, diba? Carnation, iba pa. Perfect talaga. Walang diet na naman si mama. Pwedeng ulaman pa natin yan ng tuyo. Diba? Try. Try and try. You want more? Yeah? Come on.
I'm ready for.
Oh my God.
It's because of the rice, ma.
Try nyo, guys.
No, it's because of the rice. There's so much rice.
Masarap, guys, talaga. Promise, na-miss ko. Ilang taon ako hindi nakakain ito. Sarap, grabe. Kapag kasi bihira mo nakakain, siyang pagkain. Parang pag kinain mo, sarap na sarap ka. Ewan ko lang sa iba, ha. Siyempre, ganun din kayo, Pag matagal mo nang hindi nakakain ng isang pagkain.
Daddy, this is my nanny. The nicest person on earth. Bella is just evil. Sally's dad looked straight into her eyes. For a moment, she almost thought he knew who she was. But then he just turned to Bella and said, "To your room, now." As Bella was leaving, she turned to Sally.
Ang sarap,
"Places
guys.
where? I'm gonna make you regret the day you entered this house." She stormed out of the room, and suddenly, Sally's dad turned to her. "Listen, don't ever touch my kids again. Is that clear? Don't forget your place. If you
Ano
want
pang
to stay
hinihintay nyo?
here."
Gumawa
And
rin
with that,
kayo.
He turned around and left. That night when Sally was in bed,
Ang
she
sarap.
suddenly heard someone opening her door. She leapt out and grabbed her
With
baseball
matching
bat, ready
tuyo.
to attack.
Ah,
But suddenly the door barged
Pilipinong
open. She let
Pilipino.
out a scream and hit the boy with a bat, knocking him out. She started slapping his face to wake him up. When he opened his eyes, Sally saw that they were the most gorgeous hazel color. They stared at each other for a few seconds, then quickly jumped to their feet. That was quite a greeting. You could have just said
Guys,
hello.
ang sarap.
You could have
Hindi ako
just
nagbibiro.
knocked. I thought this room was empty. Who are you? What? Who are you? I asked first. Who are you? I'm Sally, Cynthia's nanny. Who are you? Oh, I'm Bella's boyfriend, Alan. Or at least I was. I think we just broke up for the 20th time. With that, he climbed out the window. It was nice to meet you, Sally. Also, your accent is kind of high. And then he jumped.
Parang gusto ko
and
pa,
Sally
Bibi.
drove off on his motorbike. He couldn't stop thinking about
Big
Sally's
back.
eyes. The next day, Sally was determined to tell her dad the truth. She waited for him in the living room, but Cynthia
Oh,
told her
that's so-
that he'd left for a business trip.
That's so good,
Sally
but it's
decided to
really
wait for him, but she had
very
no
fast
idea
too.
how long she'd have to. One night, Ellen crept up the wall to Sally's window and knocked gently. When she pulled back the curtains and saw him, she looked more annoyed than surprised. "If you've come back to make up with Bella, why aren't you using her window? I'm not here for her. I'm here for you. Come with me. I want to show you something." "But what about Bella? We broke up. Remember, it's for good this time." "No." Sally felt hesitant.
Ganun ko
but she
naubos
looked
yung
into
isang
his
mangkok.
warm eyes and just couldn't. Do you have any
Hindi
idea
naman,
what
actually, hindi
these
naman
men
ako
are?
ganun kagutom,
A few
pero
hours later, when Sally climbed back through the window, she nearly fell back in shock to find
ang
Cynthia's
nagpa-appetite
mom
pa lalo
sitting
ito.
on her bed. "Well,
Tuyo.
hello, Sally. Where were you? Meeting up with your
Ang sarap, guys.
What? I don't know what
Taon ko
you're
to
talking
bago
about."
natikman
That's when
ulit.
Cynthia's mother walked up to
Grabe.
her, holding a diamond necklace she'd
Baka
never
gusto
seen.
niyo pong
"I
try.
found this
Meron pa akong
in your
gulay
drawer."
dito.
Sally was horrified, but she knew she had to leave now. She picked up her bags and ran out of the house in tears. While Bella and her mom were
Ang
cackling
palaya.
upstairs, Cynthia had woken up to the noises. She peeked out of her room to see Sally running out the front door. Cynthia burst into tears and ran after her. "Sally! Sally, wait! Please
O,
don't
sana yung
go!"
diet.
Sally didn't look back even once and got into the cab
Nag-exercise pa
escape.
naman ako
Cynthia
kanina.
kept running after till the car was out of sight. But when she turned to go back, she didn't realize she'd taken the wrong route. Back at the mansion, Cynthia's mother had found out she was gone. She screamed and woke up all the servants to go out
Ba't kaya
and
ganun,
search for
guys, no?
Cynthia.
Pag ikay
Cynthia's
kumain ng
mother
busog,
called up Sally immediately.
parang
"Of
gusto
course
mong
she's not with
matulog.
me, ma'am. I don't know where she is. Sally, you have to come back
Ano ba
right
yan?
now and help me find my baby. I know if anyone can find Cynthia, it's you. Please, I'm begging you." Sally
Kapag
immediately asked
kakakain
the cab
ka,
driver to take her back to the mansion. When she was close,
huwag ka daw
she
iinom
suddenly
kaagad ng
shouted,
tubig.
"Wait, stop right here." She jumped out of the cab and picked up a teddy bear from the
Ayun.
road. It was Cynthia's. Cynthia had realized by now that she was completely lost. Suddenly, she looked up to see Sally and ran straight into her arms. Cynthia's mother ran out crying when she saw the two walking in through the gate and hugged her tight. "Mom, is Sally going somewhere? If she leaves, I'm gonna run away again." Cynthia's mother grit her teeth. Her plan had failed, but she had no choice. Bella was absolutely furious. As Sally walked back into her room, Bella suddenly grabbed her wrist and whispered, "Listen to me,
Ayun,
witch.
gawin ko lang
You're here
11
because you seem to be
minutes.
very lucky. But don't you dare go near my boyfriend ever
Guys,
again."
thank you. Grabe.
No clue of
Nabusog
what had
ako po.
happened the night before.
Salamat
See?
po
Alan
sa inyong
reluctantly went to the
panonood.
mansion the next morning.
What?
Bella's mother
We're
had
all
called him
busog.
in. When he walked into the living room, he found Bella
Gusto
and
ko
her
pa nga
mother
sanang
there.
kumuha sa
"Before you
amin.
say
Nahiya na lang
anything,
ako.
Mrs. Charles, please hear me out. I can't do this anymore. I don't love your daughter." And
Nahiya na lang ako sa
Bella's
katawan
mom
ko.
flung over a small table angrily, smashing a vase to pieces. "You stupid boy! What's love got to do with anything? This marriage is really important to both our families, and I don't think your parents
Perfect
will
nga
be
si Mama,
thrilled to
no?
know you've been going
Loto.
out with this help.
Kasi
I
paborito
would
mo yun, eh.
stay away from
Dalia, you
Nanny
want
Ellen.
Dalia?
She really needs this
Oh,
job,
look, you
and
need
I'll make
Dalia.
her life miserable if I see you near her. Now you two, grow up. No more breakups and nonsense."
She's like,
When
Sally
Sally went downstairs, she almost fell back in shock to see Bella sitting in Alan's lap. She felt
Thank you
so
everyone.
angry.
Maraming salamat po sa
"Oh, we broke your
inyong
heart."
tiwala at
Sally started
panonood
to
sa
walk
aking
away, but
mga
Alan
videos.
pushed Bella aside and went after Sally.
Feeling ko ngayon, perfect na yung umaga ng anak ko. Kasi paborito niya kasi yung champurrado. Dati gumawa siya ng sarili niyang version ng champurrado. Pero, syempre, bata, hindi marunong. Tapos ngayon, natikman niya na, perfect daw. Ayun guys, thank you so much everyone. Ingat po ang lahat.